CytoSure Software version 4.11 New Features Guide Annotation Updates. This new feature now provides a quick and easy way to check and keep the annotation tracks up to date. As new versions of the annotation tracks are created, they will be added to an account on the OGT FTP site. Users can then check via their software if there are more up-to-date versions available, and if there are, they can be used to update the tracks in their software. To check for new versions, the user should go to the Options page and select the Annotation tab. Then click on the Check for Updates button. A window should appear asking for the connection details to enable the software to connect to OGT's FTP site. These can be obtained from your account manager or via the support@ogt.com email. The software will check if any updated version is available before asking for confirmation of which of the available tracks you wish to update. By default, the update process will overwrite the existing tracks with the new version. You can create copies of the track to create a new track with the updated information instead. The software will then download the files for the annotation tracks and carry out the update process. Annotation tracks now also specify the current version of the track and the date the track information was last updated. That's all for this video, but please check out our website for further resources and support, or email support@ogt.com.